Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And let's get right into today's video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved my blue blingy look. I'm going to start off by showing you the few products that I did use to achieve this look today. The first two things that I had were from Una Gella. I have soft gel nail tips, and then I also have a base coat and a no white top coat. And then here I have a solid sticker adhesive gel. It's from the company Lofuanna. It's kind of like a solid glue gel, and that's what I use to apply my nail tips today. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a close-up of everything. Here are the nail tips. I really did like these nail tips. The one thing I would say about them is, one, I believe they do run a little bit small. For my thumbs, I'm usually about a 2. And for this set, I had to go to a size 1, I believe. So not a big difference, but just a little one to keep in mind. And then also another thing that I noticed, and I didn't notice this until I was finished with the set, but these nails, they are more on the flat side. As you can see right there, they don't really have an apex. I'm not sure how I missed that, but I did. Nonetheless, if you're going for a more shorter look, I would say, then I think that these will be okay. If you're going for a more longer look, then you may actually want that apex, which gives the nails more of a structure so that they don't bend or break. So that's just something else to keep in mind. Okay, so next we're going to look at the base coat and the no white top coat from Una Gella. And so I'm going to give you guys a close-up of it just to kind of give you a look at the consistency. So when using this, I would say that it was nice and thick. I did really enjoy using this top coat and base coat. It had a thickness to it, like I was saying, but it wasn't super thick. I think it would be great for encapsulating like nail stickers and things like that. So I really did enjoy this, and I will make sure to leave all of these products that I'm using today linked down below. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is this solid sticker adhesive gel from Lofuanna, and I hope I'm saying that name right, and I'm sorry if I'm messing it up. And so I did turn my flash on to give you guys kind of a closer look inside. As you can see, it pretty much looks clear inside. And then right here, I'm just kind of messing with it. It was very, very thick. It had a sticky feel to it, but it was easy to clean up, if that makes sense. Okay, so just to get right into it, I did cut my nails off camera. Now I'm going in with this 100-180 nail file to just go ahead and reshape my natural nails. After that, I am going to go in with a cuticle pusher and just push back my cuticles. I did leave everything in real time, so nothing is sped up in this video today. And also, this is just a little bit of prep that I do before I go in and start my nail set. So once I'm done pushing back my cuticles, I did go in with this cuticle cutter, and I just kind of removed some of that dead skin from around my cuticle area. And then I did go in again with just a 100-180 nail file, and I kind of just filed around my cuticle area just to make sure there was no cuticle left on the nail bed. I make sure to go ahead and wipe down my nails with some alcohol just to make sure there's no dust or anything left behind. And now I'm going to go ahead and size up my nail tips, and then I'll be back to go ahead and show you guys how I applied them. After sizing up my nails, I applied this pull-off face coat, and then I'm going to go right in with my solid sticker adhesive gel. You guys can pause it if you guys would like to read the instructions here, but I'm just going to go right in with my little spatula here, and I'm just going to apply a small amount to the cuticle area. Okay, and then I did want to give you guys a close-up of it so you guys can see exactly how it looks. Like I was saying, it is thick and it does have a stickiness to it, but the cleanup of it was fairly easy. So although it is a little sticky, it did not make a super big mess. And as you guys can see, I use my spatula to apply it. Once I have that on there, I'm going to go ahead and slowly push that down onto my natural nail, making sure to push the nail glue down and make sure that it's spreading to the tip of my natural nail like that. And also making sure there's no air bubbles as much as I can. Once I have that on and straightened out, I will go around like this and clean up around that nail area. And as you can see, it was super easy to clean up. So it's not super sticky to the point where it makes a big mess. And once I have that on and straight, I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. And I did show you guys, I believe only 2 or 3 nails on camera, and then the rest I will finish off camera. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch that, and I'll be back. So once I have all of my nail tips applied, I'm going to go in with my Melody Susie Jade hand drill, and I'm going to use that on a low speed with a sanding band, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean up around my side wall and cuticle area. And I'm just doing this just to clean up anything that I may have missed that may have spilled out when I was putting on my nail tips. Once I do finish with my drill, I do go in again with a 100-180 nail file just to kind of crispen up and make sure my cuticle area is a little bit more flush with my natural nails. And if you have not already, please don't forget to give this video a like. And also, if you are not, do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you do not miss any of my future uploads. And also, if you're feeling generous, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I do reply to all of my comments. I would love to know how you guys are doing, how you guys are feeling. And here's how the nails are looking. I am going to clip them down, and then I'm going to go in with this 80/80 grit hand file, and I'm just going to go ahead and reshape them. If you made it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And if you're not, go ahead and subscribe. And if you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a like. After buffing my nails, I am going to dust them off and go in with some alcohol. If you guys are not already, please make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I do post there. And this little thing I have here, I got off of Amazon, and it is a cotton wipe dispenser. You just open the bag, place your wipes in, press that button there, and they dispense the wipes. I thought that was so cute, and I will leave that link down below. So after going ahead and cleaning off my nails with some alcohol, I'm going to go in and start my application. And before adding my gel polish, I did go in with a thin layer of base coat, and I made sure to cure that in my lamp for 30 seconds. After applying that base coat, I did wipe my nails down one more time with some alcohol just to remove that sticky layer. Okay, so I did forget to record the first layer, but here I am now going in with my second layer of blue polish. And all together I did 3 layers, and I made sure to cure in between each layer. This gel pot that I'm using is from a set of 36 that I got from AliExpress a while ago, so I will try to link it down below if I can. Here's just a close-up of that gel polish. And now I'm going to apply some to my nail stamper, and I'm going to use this to outline my pointer and my ring finger, and I'm just outlining the tip of the nail. Both of those nails are going to be clear, and I'm going to apply bling to those. So as you can see here, I just lightly push it in there like that. And I did make sure to kind of clean up the lines and get them as straight as I could. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to both sides of the tip like so, until I get it exactly how I like. Once I have it how I like I said, I cleaned up, and then here it is. I did cure these in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I am applying some top coat, and then here are the gems I will be using today. I was going to use that placement for both nails, but I did change up the ring finger at the end. I wasn't really liking the cuticle area that much on that nail. No matter how much I was trying to fix it up, I just didn't like it at all. So I just went ahead and covered it up with a few gems. So here I'm just going to go ahead and apply those. And I didn't show it, but I did use my Saviland 4-in-1 to go ahead and apply these gems. And it's really thick, so it really helps them to stay in place, especially for the bigger gems. I know that sometimes when I apply bigger gems, they'll get stuck, like in my hair and like in my daughter's hairs and things. So using that Saviland 4-in-1, and with it being so thick, it does help them to stay in place, and actually kind of covers them a little bit around the end so that they are not getting stuck and attached to things, you know, when you're wearing them. So I really did like that about this. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply these gems to both of my nails, and I'll be back. Okay, and here's how the nails are looking, you guys. I am going to go in and wipe them down with some alcohol one last final time. And I did top coat all of the nails. I'm going to go in with some cuticle oil after I wipe them down. And that will be it for this set, you guys. This was a quick and easy video. I really loved how these blue nails turned out. I really love the blue gems. Those are my favorite. And yes, I'm going to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil to go ahead and freshen up those cuticles, because you know we got to make sure those are fresh. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, if you guys are not already, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. Make sure you guys give me a like on this video as well. That helps me get my content out. And also, if you're feeling generous, leave me a comment down below. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned to the end to see the final pictures and videos. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.